Hello everyone, this is Emmy with the Wauconda Area Public Library here with my trusty assistant, Blue the Fox. This week's Take and Make craft is this melting snowman. In your craft kit this week, you will receive a sheet of white cardstock and a baggie with 2 small strips of patterned paper and 2 googly eyes. For your own supplies, you will need scissors, your coloring supplies of choice, glue, and I thought tape would be optional, but you will see later that it is not. For our first step, I am cutting a probably about 2-inch strip from the end of our white cardstock. And I'm going to roll it and realize this would probably be much easier to tape. Once you've obtained your tape, you can go ahead and tape your roll shut. Next, I'm going to freehand a melted puddle type shape. Lots of squiggly lines. Of course, you can draw this out and cut on the lines that you drew as well. And banish our scraps. Now we can go ahead and tape our snowman's head, the little roll, to his unfortunately melting body. From here, we'll start on our hat. So I'm going to fold our first strip in half to make the, I don't know what it's called, the hat part, the part that your head goes into. And because I think I would like to make a little lady snowman, I'm going to kind of cut it into more of a rounded hat shape. But you can make a baseball cap, you could make a cowboy hat. Then I'm just going to cut down the brim a little bit and banish our scraps. So I'm going to glue the bottom part of the hat to the brim. And then I will grab some tape to attach our hat to the top of our snowman's head. This is our progress so far. Our last step for assembly is to attach our googly eyes. So I'm just going to take some glue and glue those to our snowman's head. From here we can go ahead and decorate. So I'm giving her some little stick arms. I'm drawing her a little scarf and giving her some little blush marks on her cheeks. Some coal buttons. A carrot nose. And a little shocked mouth, because I think she's a little surprised that she's melting. So you can decide how your snowman feels about their untimely demise. That is it for this week's Take and Make craft. Thank you so much for joining me in blue, and we will see you next week for a new craft. Bye!